Welcome to our tutorial on how to add a thread on Twitter using your PC. Let's dive into the steps together. To begin, locate and tap on the compose icon to start creating a new tweet or thread. Next, pull down from the compose window and tap on Continue Thread to add to your last post. This feature allows you to seamlessly connect your new content to your previous tweet. Now, add your desired content to the thread and tap Post to add it to your existing thread on Twitter. This enables you to share multiple related tweets in a cohesive manner. If you wish to add a thread to an earlier post, simply click on More and select another post to continue the thread. This feature gives you the flexibility to expand on previous tweets and maintain a coherent conversation with your audience. By following these steps, you can effectively create and manage threads on Twitter, enhancing your storytelling and engagement with your followers. Thank you for watching, and happy tweeting!